You've probably used one before, a permanent marker. You pop off the cap, smell that strong, unmistakable scent, and draw a dark, bold line that glides effortlessly. But then comes the challenge: you try to wipe it off, and it just won't budge. Water fails, soap doesn't help, and even scrubbing seems useless. So what makes this simple marker so powerful? Why does it leave behind a mark that seems impossible to erase? The secret lies in its chemistry, a perfect mix of color, liquid, and glue. Inside every permanent marker, there are three key components: pigment, solvent, and resin. The pigment gives the color. The solvent, usually alcohol-based, carries that color smoothly through the felt tip. And the resin? That's the glue that makes it stick. When you write, the solvent evaporates almost instantly, leaving behind the pigment sealed under a thin, invisible layer of resin. That layer bonds tightly to surfaces like plastic, metal, or glass, creating a mark that's resistant to water, smudging, and time. What's truly clever is how different this is from regular pens or washable markers. Those use water-based ink, which easily washes away because water dissolves water. But permanent markers use non-polar, alcohol-based ink, and water can't dissolve that. That's why when you spill water on a permanent label, it just rolls off. To remove it, you need something similar to the original solvent, like rubbing alcohol or nail polish remover. These chemicals can dissolve the resin layer, lifting away the pigment underneath. Interestingly, the permanent in permanent marker doesn't really mean forever. Over years, sunlight and air can break down the resin and fade the pigment. So, it's more accurate to say long-lasting rather than eternal. Still, for something as small as a pen, it's an incredible piece of science, designed to leave its mark on nearly any surface. In a way, the chemistry of a permanent marker tells a poetic story. A single stroke creates a line that resists time and water, a symbol of how something so ordinary can hold extraordinary staying power. Yet, even that mark eventually fades, reminding us that permanence, no matter how strong, is never truly forever. And that's the fascinating science and symbolism behind what makes permanent markers permanent.